Sketches? No. Pens. Color pens. Brown color. Scale. Now drawing a hut. First of all, outlines. Now drawing some land, and then bushes, and then a road. Again, three small huts. Now some grass. Now tiles sketch packet on the hut. No sketches. Water. Only watercolors. For top, brown color. With these watercolors, the hut will be beautiful. Okay. Now yellow color to these two pillars. Yeah, now the picture is getting some colorful. Then blue color for the wall. Yeah, it's over. Then pink for door. It's over. Now for steps, no color, so we are now using sketch pen. In watercolors there is no sky blue color. Now applying watercolor for the grass or bush. Yeah, one more. Yeah, this is the small grass, and now grass at the borders. Now rose color, pink color for the hut, and now green color, and then again brown color. Now drawing a tree. For the stem, brown colors, and now for the leaves we are using green color. Now then applying color, black color to the road. Now we are getting some beautifulness in this picture. Yeah, road is over, and then sand like color for the ground. Yeah, looking nice. And then sky, for the sky, sky blue color, and for the sun, orange color. Subscribe my channel. Yes, done. Like this video.